Hearthstone has stopped responding. This is how every Hearthstone day starts. I have 800 gold, so I'm gonna buy 8 packs. I didn't pre-order because I'm saving up money. Doodle-doo-doo. My favorite thing is this. This shows up during recordings. I need to activate Windows. But, I mean, oh well. One day I'll legitimately buy Windows.
Sit a while and relax.
Did I just crash Hearthstone? No, I did not. I'm gonna get rid of that quick before it explodes. I think a Windows update has fucked Hearthstone for me, because it always crashes because the Boomsday Project expansion is now available. 3 packs. Honestly, it wasn't what I wanted, but I am gonna keep it. And you'll know why I keep every legendary I get, because I once dusted Keleseth because it was shit. I won't get the Mecha'thun, but I don't care. I've got the Nemsy and I think I prefer 10 packs. Meh. My finger hurts because I had an infection, but y'all don't want to know about that. I'm gonna run this in my Nizoth deck, I think. I don't know what the meta's like yet, so we'll just have to do our own thing. Wow, I'm getting shit. Jesus! Not even an epic. I'm just wondering when my legendary will show up. Ah, there it is. Ooh, I wanted that. I wanted that for my big priest. There we go. Alright, well, if you just wanted pack opening, you can stop here. But I'm gonna do a few games. I'm gonna craft a golden legendary, and y'all are gonna say, wow, what the fuck is wrong with you? I go new. That's the trick, and you just go, eh. I like this. Wait, let's disenchant it and see what it does.
I'm suiting up.
Eh. Alright. This was what I was gonna craft as my golden and just spend all my life trying to trigger it. Wait. Let's do a quick one where I just check every legendary. You know? And see what they say. So this can also be a, you know.
How unexpected. Strap in. It's gonna be a blast.
Right, that's the auction master shit. This is shit legendary.
The future is ours.
Now this lady's just thick.
The light bends to my will.
At last, immortality.
Mirror rock spring.
Such a price for power. Lightning can strike twice.
Well, that's not what I expected them to sound like.
Is just the beginning.
We've already heard what he says.
Stars without number, worlds without end.
I think people are seriously underestimating this card. It seems like a pretty fun guy.
Stand back and be amazed.
I kind of want this card golden, but I'm making golden Mecha'thun.
I hunger, therefore I am.
Unity, precision, perfection.
Yeah, this is what I'm making golden, and I'm just gonna spend my life trying to trigger it. Golden Mecha'thun. Alright, now I go to Big Priest and make another priest. We call this Mecha Meme. hear him again. Now we need to build a deck around Mecha'thun. I might do it in Wild because there is shit to resurrect it. Oh, I need to take. I'll definitely put some of these in. I think we just make it like an extreme version of Big Priest. How about I just make it another video, for now. So, I'll end it here and we'll make the next part of the video.